Okay, gonna do a quick video update. Working on the city module here. Got back to restringing some of the overhead wire and adding the blocks in there and some different poles added at different locations for better stability. And if I can record this right, I think you can see that I got the tension right on the wire here, because it will vibrate. So it's I like it. Very happy with it. Had to remove a few trees to get in there. But all we have to do now is come back into that corner and finish the overhead. And then we can flip it over and do the wiring. So that's my update on the Cadorus Valley Traction Company. Yeah, I got a few lights I got to put back in. And we're good to go. Yay! Y'all have a good one now. Catch you later. Bye.